So we remove the last bolt from the sump. This will allow us now to access the crank, mains, bearings and big ends. I shall now just bag all the bolts and nuts from that before moving to the crank. Right, we shall now remove the oil pickup pipe and pump. We've already knocked back the locking tags from the bolt heads, and so now we'll start to remove. That's all the bolts removed from the oil pump and pipes. So with that now removed, I shall remove timing chains as the next item, and then that allows us to remove all of the bolts removed from the timing cover. Gives us access to the chains. With the timing chain tensioner now removed from here, obviously it has given us the slack and play in the chain. Timing chains removed, lower here, just slid off, nice and easy as you saw there. And now we'll start to remove the pistons in order. Removing the last nut from the big ends will allow us now to knock all of the pistons through. Should do this in the wooden style. Going off the first big end. First piston removed, we'll put the cap back on it for now. Okay, all pistons removed, you've seen that procedure. We'll now remove the mains, caps, to allow us removal of the crank. Final things like the oil pump drive, dizzy drive will be removed. All of the little blanking screws, nuts, bolts, core plugs, the blanking casting plate off the back, all removed so that the engine can go for acid dipping to clean all the water galleries back to how they were when they were casted. So that's all the caps off the main bearings, so we're now ready to lift the crank. You can follow us or keep in touch about projects at CBR Classic Restorations.